Hi, we are the YP Foundation, a feminist, youth-led organization that uses an intersectional approach to foster youth leadership. We envision a world where young people's leadership skills are enhanced and they are recognized as equal stakeholders in society. We run various programs across diverse communities in 4 states: Blending Spectrum, Butterfly Project, Know Your Body, Know Your Rights, मर्दों वाली बात, पागल है क्या, The Access Project, and Udaan. These programs are designed to build a strong community of youth leaders that help further policy engagement and public advocacy. With a clear understanding of their rights and first-hand engagement with government services, young people are better able to identify gaps in their implementation. They create social action projects to highlight local issues to community members and government officials. This inspires other young people to join, resulting in a larger shift of knowledge, attitudes, and behaviors. 10 partners helped us organize community campaigns across UP and Bihar for the Know Your Body, Know Your Rights campaign, and 5 social media influencers amplified it online to help us reach over 1.9 million people. On ground, over 12,000 people raised their demands at the district and state levels. We believe in enabling young leaders to speak for themselves by creating platforms to engage with and question policymakers. In 2018, we organized Youth Insight, a 2-day national conclave, a platform for 170 young people from 17 states to advocate on issues of adolescent health, gender, and well-being. It culminated in the announcement of a national youth-led policy working group on adolescent health. Its members partnered with the Population Foundation of India to organize regional meetings where they recommended policy changes to government officials. At the YP Foundation, we engage with international networks, taking insights and experiences from our work to the global stage and advocating for youth-focused policymaking. We anchored as a youth constituency member at the PMNCH Partners Forum, co-hosted by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in 2018. We were able to bring together over 50 adolescents and young people to the forum. They engaged with peers from other countries as well as national and international level policymakers that sit at the helm of decision making. Over the year 2018 and 19, our programs directly engaged with over 1,096 young people between the ages of 10 to 30. We were also involved in national and international policy engagement as speakers, facilitators, panelists, and participants. All of this has been possible because of our donors and collaborators. We are one little step closer to a world where young people's human rights are realized and they are recognized as equal stakeholders in society.